Okay, class. So today we talked about stem and leaf plots. So let's say you had this information. Oh, let me get rid of that. Okay, so you had 3, 7, 9, 25, 26, 31, and 42. Unless you want to make a stem and leaf plot. So here are your stems and your leaves. Now, your stems are going to be the first digit of each number. Now, these already put them in order. Now, when they're out of order, you're going to go ahead and put them in numerical order from lowest to greatest. What about numbers that are single digit, like 3, 7, and 9? Well, you're going to put a 0 here, because another way to write 3, 7, and 9 would be 0, 3, 0, 7, and 0, 9. What's the first digit for 25 and 26? 2. For 31, 3, and then 42 would be 4. You notice I skipped 1 because I don't have anything like 10, 11, 12, 17, anything that has a 1 first. So let's start with 3, 7, and 9. Now, those are out of the way. How about 25, 26, those are done, 31, and then 42. And for my key, I can put an example like this, that this equals 7, or it's read as 7, okay? So what about if I have, oops, don't want to show that yet, because we are going to talk about box and whisker plots. Say I have information like this, age of boys and, girls. Say I have 13, 14, 7, 9, and say, 12. And for girls I have 11, 5, 16, 7, and 12 also. Well, when I make a back-to-back stem and leaf plot, this is what I do. Here's my boys, here's my girls, and right here in the middle is where my stems go. Okay, so I have single digits, I have 1, and that's it. So I look at my boys and I can organize them, or I can say, okay, what has zeros? 7 and 9. Now I need to write out my key. For example, 7, line 0 is read as 7. Okay, those are out of the way. How about for boys that have a 10, 2, 3, and 4, my 12, my 13, and my 14-year-old. Now let's look over at the girls. I have 5 and 7, so now I have to write another key. 0, line 5 is read as 5. How about 11, 12, and 16? And there you go. So you notice that I have to put them to the left or the right depending on where they go. Okay, so that's another quick review of stem and leaf plots. But right here, these will be tomorrow's notes, well, at least the beginning of them. Box and whisker plots. In order to make a box and whisker plot, first I need to find the upper and lower quartile. What does that mean, upper and lower quartile? Well, first off, we're going to look at a couple of things. Okay, remember mean, median, mode, and range. Well, in order to do a box and whisker plot, we have to take a step back and find the median, and then from the median we have to find the lower and upper quartile. Then we can use that information to make a box and whisker plot. So first we're going to look at how to find the quartiles. Okay, so I have this information. I have a litter size of, say we had some cats. Now the litter size is 2. That means there was 2 cats born. Litter size of 3, 3 cats born. 4 cats, 5 cats, and 6 cats. Now number of litters, that means 1 cat had 2, 6 different cats had 3 each, so that would be like another 18 cats right there, and then so on. So I need to organize my information. So where did I get all these numbers from? Well, my 2, I got it from the 1 litter. My 6 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got right here, there's 6 of 3, 8 of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. 11 of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm double checking because just in case. And then 1 of 6. So that's where I'm getting this information from, class. Now, what I need to do is first find the median for the whole group. So you notice I went ahead and you can use the method where you go ahead and cross out and then find the one in the middle. Right here I figured out that I had, let's see, 1 plus 6 is 7, right here. Plus 8 is 15, 26, and 27. So that means I need to have 13 on each side of one number, because the one in the middle is the 27th. So for example, I could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There is my median. And to be sure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I can count the total number of digits, or the total number of numbers that I have, and I can find the median in that manner instead of crossing everything out and all that. So my median is 4, okay, for the whole group. Once I do that, I circle the 2 groups of numbers to the left and right of the median. What does that mean? I circle those 2 groups. Now, each one has 13. Guess what? I need to find the median for those groups. And I do the same thing. If I have 13, well, what's going to be right in the middle? Well, I need to have the same number on both sides. So if I divide 13 by 2, I get 6.5. So it should be somewhere in the middle. It's going to be that one. Again, I can cross out. I can rewrite this and, slash, slash, slash. Or I can look and say, okay, so 6 on this side, 6 on that side. That must mean it's this 3 and that 5 over there. Okay, once I have that, I have my upper and lower quartile. Now, which one is the lower quartile? Well, think of lower, left. That would be my lower quartile. So this group on the left over here, my lower quartile. This group over here, sorry, not the group, but the median of the left group is the lower quartile. The median to the right is the upper quartile. So once I have this information, I have everything I need, so I can start writing out my box and whisker plot. But first, I want you to understand what we did to accomplish this, and that's what we're going to work on in class tomorrow. So you saw stem and leaf again, and the beginnings of box and whisker plots. We have to be able to understand how to find median properly, and then we can find upper and lower quartile, and that will allow us to find, well, to get the information we need so we can go ahead and plot out a box and whisker plot. Again, any questions, just let me know. Thank you.